We want to know how to link your LinkedIn account or your LinkedIn profile to well-found or AngelList. So LinkedIn is really helpful in order to get jobs, and if you link it to well-found, this will help your chances increase. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select that, or on the left side you should also be seeing profile, that should be right below home. You can just simply any of these. So once you have done that, you should be under your profile overview. So right below overview or right beside overview, you should be seeing profile. Just simply like that. And now once you have selected the profile, here should be seeing your about stuffs, your names and much more. So you can just simply scroll down until you see social profiles. And right here you should be seeing your LinkedIn. So you can just simply type in your URL or copy paste it to the profile as well, and it should automatically be linked. So you can just simply select save. Sometimes it is automatically saved as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.